Some news from the banking sector. All South Africa's major banks that specializes in home loans and bonds, Absa, FNB, Standard Bank, all have been hit with a 60 billion rand class action lawsuit. This has to do with stuff. This case has been pending from more than a decade. So what the case is generally about, it's people that have joined forces with the attorney that specializes in this kind of problem, because the banks has been selling houses under the market value for years now, when they repossess your home. So this has left people homeless, having to start from scratch without giving their people an option. This was way before debt review and all of that, and even in the debt review era, when debt review started in 2005. So yeah, the banks are denying any wrongdoing, so they're gonna fight this in court. If they win, they're gonna have to compensate these families, not with their homes, but with money. So yeah, I'll give you guys more information as the updates come in. But it's a 60 billion